How to send Microsoft Word file in Messenger in Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can send Microsoft Word file in Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started. Here in your device, first of all, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook. After that, open up your messages, or you can open up Messenger in Facebook. Once you're here, you have to open up the chat where you would like to send your Microsoft file on. After that, you can minimize your Facebook tab and then open up the file manager in your device. After that, you have to open up your document, and from your document select the Microsoft Word file that you would like to send to the Messenger in Facebook. For example, I have this file right here. Now you have to click, or you have to simply click and drag it onto the Facebook tab. And once you bring this file onto this tab, here it says drop file here, and maximum file size would be 100 MB. So make sure the file is up to that size. Once you're here, you can simply drop the file here. As you can see, now the file is attached. Now simply click on send icon. After that, this will be sent in that specific contact. So that's the way to send Microsoft Word file in Messenger. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.